So in the last couple videos, you guys saw me install this Newage drawer set for the garage. So far so good. Still haven't heard anything about them replacing it yet. She said she was going to let them know, but haven't received anything. So yeah, kind of stuck here with this right now. But I did decide to order this cabinet from them also. This one came out perfect, no dings, no dents, no nothing. Good thing that it just came in really nice. So yeah, comes with it also has soft closed doors, so you don't have to try to shut it, just shuts on its own, which is pretty cool. So kind of wanted something for my cleaning stuff that I want to put in here and hang it on the wall, so that way I can put all my cleaning stuff in here, all my brushes and everything, and spray bottles. So yeah, I'm gonna put them up there, and yeah, and they're gonna match really nice with this whole entire set that I got going on here. But yeah, let's just go ahead and hang this on the wall really quick. And yeah, so it comes with everything you need to hang them. It comes with these, so they can help you with put them on the wall. So, and then a bunch of brackets and stuff to secure them to the wall. So yeah, I just gotta find the studs on this wall to install this. But it looks really nice. It matches this whole entire set that I got going on here. All right guys, so let's go ahead and install this. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, but pretty much install these brackets, I guess, on the studs, and then after these are installed, and then install these parts onto the stud too, so that way we know. So I'm gonna make some lines going down just so it shows up on here and we can find the stud easy. But yeah, hopefully there's some studs. I think there's only one though, but I'm hoping there's one, and then another one over here somewhere. One's somewhere close to the TV. I can always move the TV more that way, but I think there's one more somewhere on this side. If not, then I'll just put it as close to this side as possible. But you know, oh well. This wall is empty, so that's why I want to put it here. I do want to get a bigger TV for here that I have that I don't use, so I might put it here just because this TV is kind of, I don't know, too small for this, for my taste here. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, let me just go ahead and find the studs, install these pieces on there, and then install the whole thing. Should be a pretty easy process. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a little time lapse, so let's just go ahead and do this real quick. All right guys, well there you have it. Got the cabinet on the wall now. Looks really nice. Got it aligned with the drawers here. Yeah. These are, again, the Newage cabinets. These are the Pro version. They come with the soft close on the drawers and the doors, so that's pretty cool. Got these platinum, which are white, and I wanted white, so that's why I picked these compared to like the other ones that I wanted. I wanted some MSS Plus ones, but they don't have them in white, so just wanted something in white just to match kind of the theme I got going on here. Except for that, I got to get rid of that. Yeah, I got a pretty clean setup now. Don't think I need anything else. I did paint the ceiling black the other day. It took me about a long time. I definitely don't recommend painting the ceiling on your own. It is a very, very tedious thing to do, but it looks really nice, and it's a lot brighter in here. Well, I feel like it's a lot brighter in here because the light is not reflecting on that much on the ceiling. It's just literally shining down. So yeah, but again, the drawers, this came out nice, very easy to install. They come with like little hangers that you hang on the wall first on the studs, then you hang this, then you drill in the holes in the back there, and stays put, not going anywhere. Definitely recommend these if you're looking for something in the budget. If not, you can go all out and get the Sonic MSS Plus. Those are freaking nice, but they don't have white, so that's why I went and got Newage, because these come in white. The only issue that I ran into with these is they came in damaged, but that is not the problem of the company. I think it's more of the shipping, or maybe it is the company and they stacked these all wrong in their warehouse and it got dented. But overall, still works. All the drawers still go in and out. The only issue is on top where it got dented, but yeah, and they're all soft close, so you don't have to slam them. They don't get slammed. But this is a 7-drawer one. Still can fit a lot of stuff in the 7, and then we got the 5, which is a lot more deeper, and you can definitely fit a lot of stuff in that one too. So yeah, got some of my cleaning supplies in this one. This is mainly why I wanted this, so I can put my jugs and stuff in there, my spray bottles, and then some of the cleaning stuff I might have in here. I'm gonna get more of these spray bottles because they're nice and short, so I can fit them in here. The only issue I have with this cabinet is, in order to get in this one, you have to open this one, because there's a little lip here. I don't know why companies decided to put that there. It's mainly to save cost on locking mechanism, I guess, because when you lock this, it locks that. So, but I don't know, I would much rather have a drawer without this lip here. I mean, this cabinet door open without that lip, because the only way to open this one, I gotta open this one every single time. So I guess I'm gonna put the main items I use on this side and the less items I use on this side. That way I can just grab and go. But overall, came out good. Definitely recommend these cabinets, guys. And they match my whole aesthetics I got going on in my garage here. Black and white and gray. So yeah. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys like this short little install video on this cabinet, and highly recommend it. Easy to install, came in really nice. Not too long of a wait on these. It does come with this little lip here, so that way when you put a light back here, it's not showing the light. That's pretty, I thought that was a pretty cool idea. But just gonna put a better TV here, kind of lower it a little bit because it's pretty high up there. I kind of want to have it like right here. I think will be a nice thing. I want to move that somewhere else because it is in the way, so I might put it in a different area. I don't know yet, but overall, love how this setup looks. Definitely ready to start working on cars in this garage. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.